Good morning, YouTube. What's going on? Y'all already know who it is. It's your boy CJ, your home improvement homeboy. And I feel like I'm always saying it's been a while, but it has. But it's cool. Y'all know I love y'all, and I know y'all love me. That's why y'all keep watching. But yeah, today I just want to show you guys, as always, the ins and out of building an accent wall. Today we're doing the classic board and batten 3x3. I'll show you what that means a little later. But basically it's 3 rectangles over, 3 rectangles down. So it's a total of 9 rectangles. And we're going to be trimming out the inside. Guys, this is my absolute favorite design of all time. So pay close attention to the details because I'm going to show you how to elevate and upgrade your space the Crown way. All right, let's get to it. First off, I want to show you guys my packing list. And these are just the tools and supplies that I take for every job. And I'll put this on the screen so you can see it a little better instead of my phone screen. But also, if any of you are considering doing this professionally, keep in mind you will need these tools. But even if you're doing it as a hobbyist, it's just to kind of give you a general idea of how much everything would cost. And I'll be more than happy to send this list to anyone. Just comment in this comment section below and put list in all capital letters and I'll send it to you. All right. So let me show you guys what we are building this morning. I use Shaper 3D to mock up all my walls before I build them. So I told you a little bit this morning. So I presented the client with several different options so that they could choose which one they preferred. And they chose the 3x3. So essentially we'll be building a border first, and then we'll be dividing the wall into 3 even boxes on each side. So let's get cutting. I just wanted to show you guys this. You saw me adjusting the saw. The cut was 22.5. 22.5. So if you're new to using a miter saw, you just loosen up this little knob on the back, set it to whatever you want to set it to. In my case, I cut at 22.5 to join the boards because the wall that I'm setting it on is bigger than the average length of the board. So a board comes in 96 inches. Ooh, bless me. A board comes in 96 inches, but their wall is longer than that. So yeah, had to cut a few down, 5 to be exact. So let's get to it. Okay, so I'm sorry guys, but I had to sand and caulk. My camera needed a little charge up, so I wasn't able to get the whole thing. But good news is you guys will get to see the painting and the finish. Bondo. Let's be honest. Y'all didn't come here to see me Bondo. You came to see the design get painted. So I'll come back on when I'm ready for that. There you have it, guys. Paint is still wet. I tried to show you guys as much of the process as I could, minus a few technical difficulties. But yeah, the design turned out amazing. And we'll see it when the paint dries. I appreciate you guys rocking with me and tuning in. Go ahead and drop a like, click the like, drop a comment, subscribe if you already aren't. And do me a favor, just share this video. The channel is almost monetized, so I appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me thus far. We are this close. So thank you, thank you, thank you. You are the reason that I make the content that I make. And for all the haters that's in the comment section too, I love y'all too. Y'all have a blessed night.